Wow, amazing cherry tomato hanging pot. It's time harvesting for cooking. In this video, I will show how to grow tomato from seed. This is the cup soil that I prepare to germinate the tomato seed. I arrange in the foam box tray. And now I start to make the soil hole, easy dropping the tomato seed into the soil. This is the cherry tomato seed. I have soaking into the water 2 hours, and then I start to drop the seed into the cup soil. In the cup only one seed. I start to drop one by one until finish. Tomato plant is easy to grow in home garden. Cover the soil on the seed to avoid the seed float when I watering. Watering well, keep the soil moisture, and tomato seed will be grow up fast and healthy. After 7 days, tomato seed start to sprout and grow up with 2 leaves. Every seed sprout and grow up. Now I start to make the soil. 70% garden soil, 30% dry hard charcoal, 15% dry cow dung powder, mixing together well. I start to prepare the pot. This time I grow 3 pots. It's hanging pot. Use the cocoa fiber at the bottom of the pot to avoid the soil dropping down from the pot. Hanging the pot with the string and start planting. I go to select the healthy tomato plant to grow in this pot. Now I pick up the healthy tomato. One, 2, and 3. Remove out the tomato plant from the cup soil. There is a grass. I remove out the grass. During planting must be carefully, not breaking the leaf and the stem. Use the finger to have and push the leaf and stem in the pot hole. Wow, it's nice. Not to make the stem and leaf. It's upside down growing style. I fill up the soil into the pot. The soil is already filled up into the pot. I cover the cocoa fiber and then watering well watering is very important for the plant. Make sure the soils when watering is water is dropping down like this. To avoid the water stacking, you need to know how to mix the soils well. Tie it up with the string. Look nice. Upside down tomato hanging pot. I moved to the place with the said area a few days, and then I start to move to the new place with the full sunlight. "35 days from sowing the seed." The tomato plant have the long stem and green leaf. It means that tomato stem need the support. I use the wire string to tie it up with the pot, and then with the tomato stem to support the stem not fall down. Fertilizer time. I add dry cow dung compost on tomato hanging pot plant during flower and fruit.